So, the time has finally come again for some form of travels. About to start the journey down to San Francisco, first flight. Just endured going through TSA again, so it only gets worse every time. You don't just take out your laptop now, you take out any electronics, and food now. Because now food looks suspicious. So, we're about to get on our way. Obviously get some flight footage while en route, and might shoot something in Seattle. I don't know, it depends. I don't have that much of a layover, so probably won't get to take that much footage there. So, San Francisco, here we come. We are here, San Francisco. Not gonna lie, San Francisco's airport setup is a little weird, but I'll get over it, especially with the excitement of all the aircraft photography I'm about to get. So, I'll get back to this vlog when I'm actually at the hotel. Okay, so we're here now. Really here now. See, hotel room in typical hotel room fashion. Just pricier than a normal hotel room because it's San Francisco. Well, we're not facing the direction I would have preferred. I would have preferred facing the airport, but yeah, I'll be able to go around the front of the building and catch plenty of stuff. But, ooh, a 2-story bus. So, here we are in this room that, for some reason on this camera, looks really yellow. It's really not. It's actually quite normal colored, but for some reason it looks pretty yellow.
He's filming with me without my permission. You must give me $10 now.
You're in whose room again?
I'm in everybody's room. All these rooms belong to all of us. We're all people of this world.
Just cut it right there.
And you'll see Nova texting his secret girlfriend that no one knows about. And then Riley is going to come in and be like, it's me.
It is. He's not even kidding about that. It is me. But I couldn't keep up the charade anymore. People have to know we're love.
Well, there's only one thing to do now. Just dance.
Hey! Why did you take one of my pillows?
I don't know.
That's contaminated now. Put it on his bed.
Okay, where were we?
Also, I just want everyone to know, I'm trying to get them to see your shirt, you idiot. Riley is he's redeemed himself now. He's legit.
How is this legit?
Round and round we go. We're all gonna die in a Sharknado. Okay, so I got these two losers with me.
I am that thing you said.
We're about to go check out the restaurant. We'll give it a totally professional review.
Because we can totally do that.
Oh yes.
We definitely know how to do that.
I mean, by all means, it looks extremely fancy, but we'll see. Okay.
Between me and food.
Yeah, so they have a pretty fantastic buffet here. Look at it. Unlike most other hotels, they actually keep the food steaming hot. Just look at this gorgeous French toast. So,
West Coast side of the family can vouch for that.
scrambled eggs, pretty good, on par. French toast, fantastic. Literally the best French toast I have ever had. It's like on the same level as the pancakes that the Snow City Cafe in Anchorage makes. But neither one is better than the other because pancakes and French toast are two different things. But this French toast is the best French toast I've ever eaten. So, we've head out for the day. Friends are in the Disney Museum. I, of course, am heading to the bridge. Got the map. Hopefully won't get lost. Not that, well, I mean, it's pretty easy to get to the bridge. So you can kind of, you know, you can't miss it. But navigating the San Francisco streets isn't the easiest thing in the world. So, we'll see if I actually make it there. There it is. Almost here. Almost. It's been a long, long walk. But this is gonna be so worth it. Wow. Look at the color patterns on the water. I know the wind's probably real loud. It's pretty strong too. But yeah, this view is incredible. Look at that. Alright, this is it. Finally here. On the bridge. I'm going all the way across and back. Probably never seen me really smile genuinely before, have you? That's because I only smile for fantastic stuff like this. Check this out. Behold the bridge. Look at it. Passing one set of cables, one by one. Twisted, braided steel, holding firm since the 1930s. Getting out over the bay. Here we go. It towers above you. This is absolutely phenomenal. Oh, I have not had views this magnificent since Sydney, Australia. That was over 10 years ago at this point. Alright, this is it right here. Right at this junction where those people are standing and where that little light is the halfway point. Halfway between each tower. I'm officially at the point of no return. Going all the way. And then all the way back. Got Alcatraz, way out there. You got the city itself, and beyond the city, you can't see where our hotel is, but beyond the city is where the hotel is. You got these hills, these magnificent hills. You got, ooh, I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but way off out there in the water, it's a large vessel, probably a cargo vessel or an oil tanker. It's way out there. But yeah, I'm continuing on my way. We're gonna do it. We're crossing the bridge. I got here, and I crossed this bridge when I got here. Lame joke inserted. Over and out. Alright. This is it. There's the bridge. This is it, right here. On the other side. Made it all the way. Now it's time to go all the way back. Alright, back, made it back to the side I started at, walked the whole bridge, all the way over and all the way back. That is a must do. If you come here, well actually, if you even come to the West Coast, this is the only place worth coming to. And that right there is the #1 thing you should do before and overall anything else. Walk across that bridge. You'll regret it if you don't. Okay, so I'm back now. I managed to make it, crossed a huge intersection with like no traffic lights, no crosswalk lights, in the dark. And I managed to make it back to the room, and hopefully you can see properly since I'm pulling the blinds closed, but yeah, you can see a plane coming in there. You might be able to see the lights in the sky off in the distance. Those are others descending in line behind them. Yeah, like I said last night, we literally are lined up with a view of the flight path that all of them descend down, coming into the runway. It's perfect. Went across the bridge today that you obviously already saw earlier in the video. That was phenomenal. That is a must-do experience. You definitely you need to come to San Francisco, if anything, really just to do that. That was that was one of the most incredible views I've ever seen. All the way across that was one of the most incredible views I've ever seen since I was in Sydney, and that was a long time ago. I kind of have a headache, so I came back a little early, and I'll take some acetaminophen and whatnot, edit this together, obviously eat some of my favorite German chocolate. So I'll enjoy these, edit this video together, and wait for the others to get back, and we're just going to chill for the rest of the night. So I leave you all now. I have incoming aircraft to observe.